Tell us about the mower.
Welcome to the Mowsworth. Lovely mower here. Stop horsing around. I've got the first step, so I'm going to try not to break it down. We'll be good.
On a horse with no name, it felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can't remember your name, 'cause there ain't no one for to give you no pain. La 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 la
I've been overtaken about 4 times, and I was like, why am I going so slow? I forgot that there's a throttle, and I had it all the way down on slow. I just whacked it up a gear, and now we're actually motoring. Now we'll be able to overtake these people again, hopefully.
We about to run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up. We about to run it up, up. Hold up, let me fuck it up. Well, let me sexy me under me.
So I'm having a little technical difficulties. I think the belt's come off.
Well, I'm packing up my game and I'ma head out west, where real women come equipped with scripts and fake breasts. Find a nest in the hills, chill like Flint. Buy an old drop top, find a spot to pimp. Then I'm a kid, rock it up and down your block with a bottle of scotch and watch lots of crotch. Buy a yacht with a flag saying chillin' the most. Then rock that bitch up and down the coast. Give a toast to the sun, drink with the stars. Get thrown in the mix and tossed out of bars. Sip the Tijuana, I wanna roam, find Motown, tell the rules and come back home. Start an escort service for all the right reasons, and set up shop at the top of Four Seasons. Kid rockin', I'm the real McCoy, and I'm headed out west, sucker, because I wanna be a cowboy, baby. With a top hat and the sunshine shining. Cowboy, baby. West Coast chillin' with the moon riding. Be a cowboy, baby. Riding at night 'cause I sleep all day. Cowboy, baby. I can smell a pig from a mile away.
Overtaking me!
on the one you love. You came over to me, looked me in the eyes and said for sure,
I've been addicted to you. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one.
Our poor steed, wheeled without any steam to its final resting spot, the bottom of the hill.
Singing the same old song. I know every crack in these dirty sidewalks of Broadway, where hustle's the name of the game, and nice guys get washed away like the snow and the rain. There's been a load of compromising on the road to my horizon, but I'm gonna be where the lights are shining on me, like a rhinestone cowboy, riding out on a horse in a star-spangled rodeo, like a rhinestone cowboy.
Yeehaw!